Oh yeah.
when Kirk was talking about his fucked up, I was gonna say. Oh wait, wrong way. Tell us more,
Dude.
Kurt. Tell us more.
I'm gonna tell you. And I went through all this effort to do a really good job, and
I've had that too.
Keep
going.
Yeah.
and then that did not fix the problem.
Story's not done. If you could please elaborate what was wrong.
I don't want to say because
Please.
I messed up.
We need to know. Please, Kurt.
Okay.
Look me in the eyes when you
All
tell
right.
me.
All right, here's the deal. My viewers told me I was wrong,
Okay.
and they were right.
So, what did you do about this? Unbelievable.
And you gotta eat it sometimes.
Jake, you gotta quit that. That's freaky.
I know.
Hey, there ain't nothing wrong with this.
That's some meta stuff right there.
This is funny.